Hey there, fellow travelers. Today I'm doing a little product review of the Lush Limelight Toothy Tabs. Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to see and explore the world. If that sounds familiar to you, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. So today I'm talking about Lush's Toothy Tabs, specifically the Limelight one. If you haven't tried these before, they're kind of an interesting experience. I do like these for packable sake. Each little tab, you can see, it's good for one brush. So you can see those little guys. So if you're going to be gone for, say, 4 days, you could count out 8 tabs and have exactly as much toothpaste as you need for your trip. Now, of course, unless you pack an extra, if you decide you need a little extra brush, you're kind of screwed. But it's not that big of a deal to pack an extra. I also like them because they're a solid. No TSA regulations here. No worrying about liquid getting through on the airplane, because you got yourself a little solid tab full of toothpaste. Now, like I said, the user experience is definitely a little different. The idea is that you put this guy in your mouth, you chomp it around, use the saliva to get kind of a lather, and then you start brushing. And that's kind of weird. These little guys do build up a nice lather, and my teeth feel very clean afterwards. But like I said, it's just a little weird to use. I do think the solid benefits outweigh the weird factor, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, these guys aren't cheap. You're gonna spend a pretty penny more on these than you would regular toothpaste, especially if you're just getting your little travel toothpaste from the dentist for free. This is gonna set you back. But Lush is a great company. They do really good things. This is called the Limelight. It's a zesty lime with lemon oils, which is a different sensation than mint. So if you're looking for something other than mint, this is worth trying out. If you really like mint and you don't want something other than mint, then I probably wouldn't go with these. Overall, I'd say these make for a great travel option. I have used them on multiple trips so far, and I do find that carrying them, packing them is convenient. I have not, however, switched over to using them in my daily life. I don't know that I will. But for travel, great choice. Let us know, have you used the Toothy Tabs from Lush? And what was your experience?